Hello, Kunan.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good. Wow. How are you?
And happy.
Wow, very good. Did you enjoy the birthday?
That's
Nice. What did you eat in the birthday celebration?
it. And
What did you eat?
and 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 fifth.
Oh, that's delicious, Kunan. Okay. Kunan, what did we learn yesterday?
Is Royny.
Yesterday, we learned
Learn Palilas.
what did we learn?
Or
Okay. What does a pilot do?
Palis.
What does a pilot do? Or what does the cook do, Kunan? The cook makes food. Now, what about a firefighter? Kunan, look, we have firefighter. What does a firefighter do?
If Pharaoh.
That's right, fight fire. Okay, now what about the cook?
It
What does the cook do?
is my food.
Makes food. The cook makes food. Okay, what about a pilot? What does the pilot do? You say the pilot
The pilot do
fly planes.
fly
Yes. What about a bus driver? What does the bus driver
and
do?
is driver do.
Yes, it drives buses. Okay. Now what else? Oh, a vet. What does the vet
Vet
do?
is for have served animal.
That's right, Kunan. Now what about a salesperson? What does a salesperson do? The salesperson sells
Vet and
things.
sell teeth.
That's right. Okay, Kunan. Now this time, let's look at these people. Okay. So here, I want you to look and answer. What does the pilot do? Look and answer. What does the pilot do?
Yes, pilot
Yes, it is a pilot. Very good. What does the pilot do?
is with teeth.
All right. Say the pilot
The
flies
pilot like
plane.
birds,
Oh, flies planes.
like pen.
Very good. Now, look, who is this?
It is have served animal.
Very good. Now, who is this? Who is this? Is this a cook?
This is the vest.
Vet, very good. What does the vet do?
They will have sick animal.
Nice, Kunan. Okay, now look, what does the bus driver do?
It, it, driver do. It's driver bus.
Okay, the bus driver drives buses.
The bus, the bus driver is driver.
All right. Now, what about the salesperson? What does the salesperson do?
The person with this.
Great, Kunan. Now, what does the cook do?
The cook muffled.
Great job. Last one. What does the firefighter do?
The fire fire.
That's correct, Kunan. Give me a high five, Kunan. Wow, nice because you remember our lessons. So you have 5 stars for that one. Okay, now this time, I want you to look at the picture, listen, and answer. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 26. B. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What does the cook do?
The cook makes food. 1,
What does the cook do?
Makes
food.
not this one.
2,
Oh, here it is, Kunan. One more.
Page 27. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Does the cook make food?
Yes, he does.
Does the cook sell things?
No, he doesn't.
Does the cook make food?
Yes, she does.
Does the cook sell things?
No, she doesn't. 1,
Does the cook make food? Yes, he does.
2,
Does the vet fly planes? No, she doesn't.
3,
Does the firefighter fight fires? Yes, she does.
4,
Does the pilot drive buses? No, he doesn't.
5,
Does the salesperson sell things? Yes, she does.
6,
Does the bus driver help sick animals? No, he doesn't.
Right. Now this time, let's practice, Kunan. Look at this one. Okay, now look. Is this a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Very good. So we use he. Okay, now look. Is this a boy or a girl?
It's girl.
Okay, a girl, we use she. Now, this is me and this is you. Okay, let's practice. Does the cook make food?
Yes, he does.
Very good. So look, we say yes, he does because it is correct. Now look, does the cook sell things?
No, he doesn't.
Very good. Now look, does the cook make food?
Yes, he does.
Nice. Does the cook sell things?
No, he doesn't.
Very good. Let's practice more. Does the cook fly plane? Does the cook fly plane?
No, he doesn't.
Very good. Does the cook help sick animals?
No, he doesn't.
Yes, very good, Kunan. Give me a high five again. Nice. Okay. So now, Kunan, I want you to look, listen, and answer. Look, does the cook sell things? Does the cook sell things?
No, he doesn't.
Very good. Does the cook make food? Does the cook make food? Look, does the cook make food?
Yes, he doesn't.
Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Okay, now
Yes,
look,
he does.
does the vet fly planes? Does the vet fly plane?
No, he doesn't.
Very good. Does the pilot fly planes?
No, he doesn't.
Listen carefully. Does the pilot fly planes? Pilot. Does the pilot fly plane?
No,
What's your answer? What's your answer, Kunan? Does the
no,
pilot fly plane?
no.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yes.
Oh, wait. I want you to pay attention to teacher's question, not just in the picture. Oh, here.
Tôi muốn bạn chú ý đến câu hỏi của giáo viên, chỉ trong hình ảnh.
Does the pilot fly planes?
Phi công có lái máy bay
No.
không?
Yes.
What's your answer? Does the pilot fly planes?
No.
Does the pilot fly plane?
Mình lấy làm vé thì doesn't.
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Okay. Now look. Does the firefighter sell things?
No, she doesn't.
Very good. Does the firefighter fight fires? Does the firefighter fight fire?
Yes, he does.
Great job, Kunan. Okay, now look. Does the pilot drive buses?
Mhm.
Does the pilot drive buses?
Is- No, no, he doesn't.
Nice. Does the bus driver drive buses?
Yes, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Very good. Okay. Does the salesperson sell things?
Yes. No, she doesn't.
Does the salesperson sell things?
Ah, yes, she does.
Very good. Does the salesperson help sick animals?
No, she doesn't.
Nice. Okay. Now look at the last picture. Does the bus driver help sick animals?
No, he doesn't.
Very good. Does the bus driver drive buses?
Yes, 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 he doesn't. No,
Yes, he does.
yes, he does.
Nice. Does the bus driver make food?
No, he doesn't.
Does the bus driver fight fire?
No, no, he doesn't.
Yes, very good, Kunan. Give me a high five again, Kunan. Nice. So I'll give you 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, this times, this time, oh, no, sorry. This time, let's switch. You will be the one to ask me a question and I will answer.
Lần này chúng ta hãy đổi chỗ. Bạn sẽ là người hỏi tôi một câu hỏi và tôi sẽ trả lời.
Okay? Let's switch. You say, does
No,
the cook make food?
đó để cướp mã phốt.
Yes, he does.
Đó để nó để nó để vẽ have have said animal.
Yes, she does.
Đó để Fire, fire. Yes, fire, fire.
Yes, she does.
Đỡ rễ cốt Cetis.
No, he doesn't.
Đỡ rễ Police, police, breakfast.
No, he doesn't.
Đỡ, police, police, and police.
You say, does the pilot fly planes?
Đỡ, đỡ rễ police, breakfast.
Yes, he does.
Đỡ rễ
Does
rễ breakfast.
who is this? Who's this?
Is
Is this a vet?
it ở well. Đỡ
Who's
rễ stainless sống whistle
salesperson?
với phố sọt sến
One more does.
đỡ rễ saber sọt sến đình
Sell things?
Saturn
Yes, she does.
đỡ đỡ rễ bờ rễ bớt đế vỡ whatever has said anymore.
No, he doesn't. Very good, Kunan. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now Kunan, I want you to look at this. Say the, the.
Rớ rờ
Very good. You say does the.
đó rớ
Nice. Okay. Sales person.
sẽ bớt rờ
Very good. Now, what is this?
It's red. So,
What? The. Very good. This one.
xếp lên person.
Okay, you say sales.
Sale.
Great job. Person.
Sale person.
Yes. Salesperson.
Sale person.
Very good, Kunan. Okay. Now, look at this one. I want you to look and answer. Does the salesperson sell things?
No, she doesn't.
Look. That
Hold
is?
on.
Yes, he
Yes.
does. Okay.
Does.
Now, what about this one? Does the vet fly plane?
No, she doesn't.
Very good. Okay, what does the vet do?
No. The
What
vet.
does?
The vet has an animal.
That's right. Very good, Kunan. 1 star for you. Okay, now look. Does the bus driver help sick animals?
No, he doesn't.
Very good. Okay, what does the bus driver do?
The boat rider bus.
That's right. Nice, Kunan. Okay, now look. Oh, sorry. Does the firefighter fight fires?
Fire, fire. Yes, he does.
Very good. Okay. Does the cook make food?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Great, Kunan. Wow. That's plenty of stars. So you have 5 out of 5 here. Great job, Kunan. Okay, now look at this one. Does the pilot drive buses?
Hmm. No, he doesn't.
Very good. Okay. Wait me a minute, Kunan. I'll just use the restroom real quick.
Đợi tôi một chút. Cùng En, tôi sẽ đi vệ sinh ngay.
All right?
Other.
Okay.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hello, Kunan. Sorry to keep you waiting. All right. Now look. Does the pilot drive buses? Hello, Kunan.
Hello, teacher.
Okay. Does the pilot drive buses?
No, he doesn't.
Very good. Okay, what does the pilot do?
F pilot with fast forest
The pilot
pilot speed fast
Okay.
the pilot
Say
fly
fly.
land
Okay, say planes. Planes.
plane land
Planes. All right, Kunan. Okay. Now this time, I want you to listen and write a number. Are you ready?
Luigi
Okay. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 27. D. Listen and number. 1,
What does the cook do?
the cook makes food
2,
Does the salesperson sell things?
yes she does
3,
what does the vet do
The vet helps sick animals.
4,
does the pilot fly planes
Yes, she does.
5,
What does the firefighter do?
the firefighter fights fires
6,
What does the bus driver do? The bus driver drives buses.
Okay. Now listen again, Kunan. Then write a number.
Page 27. D. Listen and number. 1,
What does the cook do?
the cook makes food
2,
2,
Does the salesperson sell things?
yes she does
3,
Does the salesperson sell things? Yes, she does. That's number 2.
Two.
Okay, 3.
What does the vet do?
The vet helps sick animals.
4.
4,
Does the pilot fly planes?
Yes, she does.
Does the pilot? Nice. 5.
5,
What does the firefighter do?
The firefighter fights fires.
6,
What does the bus driver do? The bus driver drives buses.
Yes, wow, very good because you got it all correct. That's 6 out of 6. Nice, Kunan. Can you give me a high 10? High 10, Kunan. Nice. So I'll give you 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay. Now, I want you to look and answer. Okay. What does your father do? What does your father do?
What does father do?
Yes. What does your father do? Oh, does your father fly planes? Let's talk about your parents. Does your father fly planes?
Hãy hãy nói về cha mẹ bạn. Cha bạn có lái máy bay không?
No, they doesn't.
Okay, no, he doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
All right. Does your father make food?
Hmm?
Does your father make food?
It is small pencils.
What?
His father is small pencil.
Your dad is a small person like this? This one? Small person?
No.
Yes. Oh, what does your dad do?
Is the
What does he do? What does your father do?
Cha của bạn làm nghề gì?
Yeah.
Yes.
What does your father do? Oh, department staff. Okay. Now you say, my father is a department staff.
My father is a small pencil.
Very good. I want you to say department.
Requirement.
Very good. What about your mom? What does your mother do?
My mother official.
Nice, Kunan. Okay, so let's count how many stars have you got tonight. Let's count by 5. 5,
Yes.
10,
10,
15,
15,
20,
20, 25, 30, 35,
Wow, you've got 35 stars. Thank you so much for joining our class tonight, Kunan. I hope that you learned something. Goodbye, Kunan. Bye-bye. I'm gonna give you many stars. Here it is. Ta-da! Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Cục xe sạc con đang vào chưa? Chị?
Hả?
Cục sạc con đang vào chưa?
Con đâu có lấy đâu.